Oh, one thing I do, or we do every time we go back to Illinois. You know, in Texas, you can't get really good pizza. It just doesn't exist. So we're from the Illinois to Chicago, probably an hour from Chicago. But anyway, got a place over there. We used to go get pizza all the time when we lived there. It's called Lou's Le Grotto. It's in Peru, Illinois, and oh my God, it's the best pizza I've ever had in my entire life. And used to take my kids up there when they were younger, and we'd always go there, and they just fell in love with it too. But it's the best pizza. It's deep dish. They give you, like, you buy a whole pan of it, but they give you a steak knife and a fork, and they put it on a plate. And honest to God, you got to use the steak knife and the fork. You can't pick it up and eat it. And it's, I don't know if it's just the ingredients, the crust, or all of the above, but I mean, they put so much cheese on it, and I only get cheese and sausage, but the sausage is just the best. I mean, the pizza is just incredible. And then we always go to, you got to be from the Midwest, Illinois, Iowa, Indiana, but people don't know what these are, but they're pork tenderloins. And what it is, it's like a really, you know, they pound out like a pork loin. They pound it out really, really thin, and then they kind of bread it with something, and then they fry it. But we go to a little tiny place in Leonore, Illinois. I kind of grew up right around that area, but it's called Smitty's. But they have pork tenderloins that are bigger than a dinner plate, and they put it on a bun. There's a little bitty, I mean, it's a huge bun, but it looks like a little bitty bun, and I just take off the bun and kind of toss it, and I just eat the tenderloin like that with a little salt on it, and it's just, they're incredible. You can't eat a whole one, but so I always go back and have to get pizza and tenderloins. I mean, I just have to, because you can't. I actually buy some of those tenderloins. They're called Polanski's or whatever. And when we go back to Illinois, my wife and I are from Streator, Illinois, so it's out in the Midwest. We grew up farming and that kind of stuff. But anyway, you can buy them. They're small, but they're every bit as good. And you can just, you know, fry them in a pan of oil. And when I buy those, my youngest son just absolutely loves them. So I eat one and he gets the rest of them. And they're pretty expensive. They're like $2 or $3 a piece when you buy them. They're pretty expensive, but they're good. I mean, they're every bit as good, just not as big. But anyway, we go back that way. We always all get together and we hit Le Grotto's. And like, you know, there could be 15, 20 of us at Le Grotto's, you know, because we all get together and we come back. You know, my wife and I go back. And then we always go with family to get those tenderloins too. Those things are just awesome. Anyway, long video. Bye.